Hi guys, this Jeep, what I have, 1996 Jeep Cherokee. Uh, I was driving, suddenly it stopped, and I wait 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, I started again, and it worked. But now it's on and off, on and on. It's working, and I decide to checked what's wrong with this car, and I just got this code reader that I am gonna check it, that what's the problem. I'm gonna find out what code has, because engine light is turned on after the Jeep stopped and worked and stopped and worked, and engine light is on. So let's put this code reader, and now we show where you're gonna put it. Let me show right there on the right here. Um, right here. This is the guy that you will just stick here, right here, and push it. And after that, grab the code reader, right here, and yeah, right here. So, what we're gonna do? We're just gonna grab the key. Just turn the ignition. Not started. Just turn the ignition. That light just comes off. Dashboard. Just is then, and start. Okay. Just pushed OK, and as you see, there's options. It says that diagnose, and we go ahead and give OK to diagnose. It shows there is another options, OBD or scan. We're gonna go to scan right there, and right say, and then Chrysler. That's right there. Give the OK, and let's see. It started. Yeah, let's scan. Diagnose progress, and it shows the options. System scans. You just give the OK. Then please wait. Let's wait. Says sorry. It says automatic or manual. You just say give the automatic. And you see it's working. Okay. Let's see what's called gonna engine power. Control it. Give the OK. Give the OK. And see, read the first option is read trouble codes. So we're gonna give the OK. We're gonna read the trouble codes now. We give the OK. Now this is the problem. We find out PO340 no camshaft position sensor detected. So this is the problem. Problem is PO340. That's why it was stopping my car when I drive, and if I don't push the gas, and suddenly it was stopping. Yeah, this is the problem then. So how I read, and then with this code reader, and I just I got the code. No, I can fix it. Yeah. This is the problem we find. Then easy to fix. All right, guys. Hopefully I am helpful to you. and we find the problem. Okay, bye bye.